Canada, a country renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cities, offers a plethora of activities for every kind of traveler. Today, we embark on a journey to explore some of the most captivating things to do across this expansive and diverse nation. To begin our adventure, we travel westward to the majestic Rocky Mountains of Alberta. Here, Banff National Park awaits with its pristine wilderness and stunning vistas. Take a moment to breathe in the crisp mountain air as you traverse the iconic Icefields Parkway, a scenic drive that connects Lake Louise to Jasper. With each turn of the road, towering peaks and turquoise lakes promise a visual feast, perfect for photography enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Shifting eastward, the bustling city of Toronto, Ontario, stands as Canada's largest urban centre. It is a melting pot of cultures and a hub of activities. Immerse yourself in the skyline views from the CN Tower, one of the tallest freestanding structures in the world. Following this, explore the vibrant neighborhoods like Kensington Market, where eclectic shops and diverse cuisine paint a rich tapestry of urban life. The city never sleeps, offering endless entertainment options, from world-class theater productions to lively festivals. Heading further east, the Francophone province of Quebec beckons with its unique blend of European charm and Canadian hospitality. In Montreal, the streets of Old Port transport you back in time, with cobblestone paths and historic architecture. Meanwhile, Quebec City, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, enchants with its fortifications and the stunning Chateau Frontenac. Embrace the artistic flair of the local scene and perhaps indulge in some traditional poutine at a cozy bistro. Venturing into the Atlantic Canada region, the Maritime Provinces offer a distinct coastal experience. Prince Edward Island, famed for its red sand beaches and rolling farmland, is a tranquil escape. Time seems to slow here, allowing you to savor the simplicity of life. Nova Scotia's Cabot Trail, meanwhile, is a marvel for those who enjoy scenic road trips. The dramatic cliffs and sparkling ocean views offer a perfect setting for reflection and appreciation of nature's wonders. Don't miss the chance to witness the northern lights in the Yukon or Northwest Territories, especially during the winter months. The vast, untouched wilderness of these northern regions provides an unparalleled backdrop for this natural phenomenon. As the skies dance in hues of green and purple, one cannot help but feel a profound connection to the natural beauty of our planet. Concluding our exploration of Canada, these diverse experiences highlight the essence of a country that embraces both its modern cities and its ancient landscapes. Whether it's hiking in national parks, savoring culinary delights, or simply embracing the warmth of Canadian hospitality, the opportunities are endless. In Canada, every season and every landscape tells a unique story, inviting you to become a part of its richly woven cultural tapestry. So, when planning your next adventure, remember that Canada is not merely a destination. It is a journey of discovery and a celebration of the magnificence that is our world. Safe travels and happy exploring.